So hi guys, good afternoon. Today is maulan po dito, and I gave some tips for upcoming college students, especially the first year coming and the students, college students. Some tips of bags that essential to wear, especially in school, outside in school, and night events also. So okay, first let's start. For this bag, I bought this bag, and actually this is my favorite recently purchased from online shop. So you can wear this one and like this, and also you can use it as cross bag, or can wear it like a small kili bag like that, because the strap is adjustable. And this one also, this is my favorite. Why? Because superstitious, you know, mystery. It's look like small, but a lot of things we can put in. Like this one, this is, see, I have a lot of things. Let's see. So, napasok niya yung lahat ng mga essential kong gamit dito sa bag na to. And may space pa. Very big space pa. So, you can put anything. Kasya po dito. So I suggest sa mga upcoming first year student, first year college students, you can, purchase this kind of bag. Very essential and practical. The second one is my backpack. This is my backpack. My backpack. Sorry, madumi. My backpack. Travel backpack when I'm going to home, especially. So this one, it's a big backpack. You can wear like this. See? Very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. So I suggest also the backpack for the students. And another one, diba also sa atin yung mga big bag like tote bag. I have also a tote bag. Hindi naman kailangan na maganda or mahalin yung gamit mo, as long as it's affordable and convenient na gamitin. Very good, and swak na po yun. This one also is, this is not really mine. This is from my sister. So she gives me this one. Tote bag. Super dami niyang malalagay actually. Super laki niya sa loob. See? At saka mayroon pa siyang sling strap, so you can wear as a sling body bag. So very convenient din po gamitin para sa mga estudyante. And this one, this is Ralph & Lauren's vintage bag. Kaya linagyan ko siya ng ganito kasi naano siya kinagat siya ng REP. So pinantay ko na lang na gano'n, pinatahi ko. So ito siya. This is my kili bag. And marami din kayong malalagay. Actually, lahat ng essential ko din dito is nailalagay ko. May mga ano pa. Still use. Tapos, ito naman yung another bag. This one. This one is my medium backpack naman. Hindi siya small. Medium lang siya. Ito naman ay bigay ng isa kong ate galing pa tong Dubai. Bigay niya to sa akin. This one. Ito yung brand niya. Super marami po talaga kayong mailalagay. This is medium backpack. Yan. Ito siya. So, ginamit na. Okay. So, ang ganda siya. Hindi siya sobrang liit. Sakto lang. Mailalagay mo pa rin yung mga essential na gamit mo. Kung, example, examination day, pwede ito yung gamitin mo kasi konti lang yung ilalagay mong gamit. Kasi review na lang naman yung gagamitin mo. And, this is naman my cute bag. Ito naman, ginagamit ko siya kung may mga event na hindi kailangan ng big bag, especially kung nakadress ka, yung mga panay na gora lang na outfitan. So this is you can wear like this, or you can wear as crossbody. Dito. This one. Diyan. Diba? Ganda. Pwede siyang pang school, pwede siya pang labas. Pag may mga biglaan kayong lakad ng mga klase nyo, pupunta kayo sa mall or somewhere, kakain sa labas, you can wear this. At saka, ito din. Ito naman ay bigay din ng ate ko. Sorry po. This one is from US. She gives me this one. Guest bag. Look. How cute. Sobrang ganda niya. I really love this bag. You can wear like this. Kung may mga event kayo sa school na naka-drown or naka-gown or naka-dress, you can wear this one. Hindi siyang kilikili ba? Bili rin siyang ganyan. At saka pwede siya body cross bag. So, maganda niya. Tsaka, guys, marami po kayong mailalagay sa kanya. Meron siyang 3 compartment. This one is 1. And this is, there's an extra pocket here. And also here. At saka, meron din siyang sa likod. Zipper naman. Yeah? And the last one, ito naman, mostly ng mga bag ko ay bigay lang sa akin ng mga sisters ko. Pero, may isa na hindi bigay ng sisters ko, which is bigay na special someone. This bag. Actually, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit kasi parang nanghihinay nga ako gamitin. Pero kailangan ko na siyang gamitin. Kasi sayang naman kung hindi ko magagamit. You can wear like this one, or this one, or put some strap. Pag gusto mo siyang gawing bag, little bag, or cross bag. Yan. Guys. Ganyan siya. Or, kita yung logo na. Ganyan. See? Sobrang ganda. At saka guys, marami rin kayong mailalagay. Look inside. Super laki niya. lahat ng essential mo nadadala niyo sa mga ganito. So hi guys, this is one person. It's circle rattan bag. So some of my bags you can wear it summer, rainy days, so that's it. So that's for tips for upcoming first year students. Essential bag that you need to wear, especially in school, outside in school, event, and night out event. So that's all guys. I hope some upcoming first year students will inspire my bags. Take note lang guys, hindi kailangan po na mamahalin yung mga bag natin. Yung kailangan lang po natin, kahit hindi mamahalin, as long as ito ay matibay. First, matibay. Second is, accurate gamitin sa kahit anong event, yung bag mo. Dahil yun naman po talaga yung importante at pinaka-importante sa lahat, confident at komportable po kayo gamitin yung bag ninyo. As myself, sa lahat ng bag ko, confident ako gamitin kasi lahat ng mga bags ko na ilalagay ko yung mga essential things na kailangan ko, na ilalagay ko din yung komportable din ako kasi hindi sila madaling masira, which is very good kasi siguro this coming school year din gagamitin ko din yung some of these bags, uulitin ko din para makatipid din ako sa kailangan hindi na masyado maraming bilhin na bag. Bali yung iba nito gagamitin ko pa din until this coming year, school year, para po makatipid. So that's it. I hope everyone, especially students, I inspired. So thank you. Bye bye.